everybody, and thank you very much for stopping by to have a look at this piece of Tim Holtz ephemera, mini journal. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, we'll see as we go through what you think of it. So it's got a string and button closure on the front, and it's just very blue ticket, blue butterfly, some stamping around the place, blue flower, and this cute little guy there who I really like. And it flips, the top flips up and there's journaling there. And then it's got a journaling card in it behind this chap, and that flips down, and you could very easily journal on here. Then here we've got this guy who, I don't know what to say about him. He just looks like he might be a bit shady. He's kind of trying to hide behind this. So yeah, he's there, and I've got lots of stamps, and this is acetate here, so it's all quite interesting. And then this flips that way, like that. And we've got a bank of pockets here, 3 slip pockets. They're reinforced on the back, and they've got tags in. Nice rows there with some red stamps. And then this page, obviously journaling, and a nice little sort of montage, collage, whatever there. And on the back it's clear, because I imagine that you would want to stick that page down into your journal, and then you've got all of this here. So that's it. It just flips up, it flips down, it flips out. So it's quite interactive. That's the word I'm looking for. Quite interactive. And these just go around like that, and this one goes round like that, and there we have it. There's our lovely piece of ephemera ready to include in a journal or just look at. So thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.